an image relaxation videos production. Welcome to this deep breathing warm-up, followed by a 5-minute timed practice session. Deep breathing may be done in a seated position, or lying down on your back. Find a quiet place, without distractions or disturbances, turn off your phone, and dim the lighting. Ensure you are warm, and your nostrils are clear, to enable you to breathe easily. You may breathe in, through your mouth, if you are unable to breathe, through your nostrils. However, the benefits attained may not be as great. Loosen any tight, uncomfortable clothing, especially around the waist, such as a belt. Make a decision not to worry about anything. Begin by softly focusing your eyes on the floor, or on some object just in front of you. Alternatively, close your eyes to help you concentrate, if you wish to. If you start to feel lightheaded, anxious or uncomfortable at any time, either pause this session and simply relax and breathe normally until you are ready to continue, or stop immediately. Now, let's do a little deep breathing warm-up. Tighten your belly muscles to expel any air. Breathe in through your nose and relax your belly to fill it with air. Breathe out through your mouth and tighten your belly to push the air out. Remember, should stray thoughts enter your mind, just let them, and then gently return your attention to this relaxation. Now we will warm up to a 10 seconds deep breath, with 4 seconds breathing in, and 6 seconds breathing out. Breathe in through your nose, and relax your belly out. Breathe out through your mouth, and tighten your belly in. In through nose. 2, 3, 4. Out through mouth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nose in. 2, 3, 4. Mouth out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, continue with the timed session. Don't worry if you can't keep in time. Just do what feels right for you. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now, take some time to rest, for a few moments. It is now time to end this session. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body and to your environment. Give your fingers and toes a wiggle and gently open your eyes if you have closed them, coming back to waking consciousness. Now, return to your day with a more peaceful, focused, and relaxed mind and body. With practice, you will be able to do this technique for longer periods of time. Keep in mind that this type of breathing is only done when you do breathing exercises. The rest of the time, you should be breathing normally. I hope you enjoyed your deep breathing. Bye for now.